It's raining. Raining. It's raining, raining.
I sense you causing great pain and suffering to your friends and thought, hey, maybe you're finally ready to devour their souls and join me in the destruction of this hateful world.
Hello, dog. It is raining outside.
Sorry, Raven, but you are me.
It's raining, raining. It's really, really, really raining. I love rain. I'm gonna go hide in it. Hey guys, don't have anything better to do today, so why not just make a mini video? I really, really, really like rain, and it's raining. Well, I gotta go. Everything's really dark. But hard that coming up. That rain's coming up. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. But it's like coming in puddles and everything. So I just gotta go. I'm sorry this isn't such an interesting video. But if you want, next time I will make a much more interesting video. And guess what? Right now, I have a lot of money. And I am getting, what is it? I'm gonna get a fursuit. For fursuit haters, here's all I have to say. You should not judge a person because they just want to wear a suit. That's wrong. It's fine if you're creeped out, but you don't have to put rude comments. This is one of my dogs. She got bit by, what are those, boxers? So now she's handicapped, she's old. And we got, I think this would be my dog. This one's my grandma's dog. But this one, my grandma said I could have him. Buddy. Butters. He's a really good dog. And then we got the smallest. Come here, Naughty. His name is literally Naughty because he is such a bad dog. That's Naughty. The bad dog. The very naughty boy. The very, very naughty dog. That's the dogs. Another video might be of my aunt's dogs that we're taking care of right now. You wouldn't believe the size of them. They're so huge. But listen to this. That's the sound of the rain. I gotta go. Goodbye. Goodbye. Sorry this camera thing is really... Sorry my tablet is really crappy. It's not good at making videos. Everything looks so... Bye.